Hello guys, this is Siddharth and welcome to my YouTube channel Siddharth Lecture. So today we are going to discuss on what is Docker. Let's start. So guys, Docker is a very important concept in interview if you are fresher or experienced. Docker is a platform that helps developer to build, share and run the application with container. Then what is Docker container? Docker container has everything about the project like code, system library, system tools and setting with respect to specific version. Also we can define Docker is an open source centralized platform designed to create, deploy and run the application. That's it. So guys, this is the way to do the answer to the interviewer. Then next point is what is actually Docker? What is a platform? What is the meaning of use in the software development? This is any tech. Means exactly where we are using this Docker. So let's start. We will get proper idea. You know what? Let's consider you are a software developer and you are working in one IT company. Okay, and you are working on the any banking domain project like loan application. Okay, so you know your team size is 5. And in loan application or any banking domain application there are many features like reconciliation, incentive calculation, report generation, file uploading, security and logging, logout function and all these things. Your team leader is give you one task or one feature. You will working on that particular feature or he will give you one task. Okay, so he will first team leader what he did, he give you a 1.0 version of software which have no feature. Okay, then after that as a developer your team and you will start. Then at the end of the day you completed your task. Okay, and you are testing it is work or not work. Then if it is work, so at the end of the day you means you are the 5 developer na, you 5 developer need to merge that code and the new version of software will be generated. Then again that software will be distributed among all of the developer and you are test again. You are just checking the which feature I added, it is work or not work. Then you are testing it is work or not work. Then it is work in your system. Then you are going to manager or team leader cabin and sir this feature I completed and please check it. Then team leader will check in his system and your feature will not work. Yes, this is happening. Then you are just saying sir I completed successfully 15 times, 20 times I check it is work in my system and after merging also it is work in my system, but I don't know why it is not work in your system. What is the issue guys? Issue is merging? No. If there is issue in the merging, so why the new feature is work in your system not his? If there is issue in the merging, so it will not work in your system, but it's work in your system. So this is the important thing. Such type of the question, sir this is work in my system but I don't know why it is not work in your system. These questions are we can eliminate by using the Docker. So in shortly I will tell what is the issue. Issue is like, see, if there is a 5 developer na, so they are using the 5 system, not a single system. So they are using their, if you are working in your system, okay, so you are using one tool, one runtime library, and see, by using only the programming language you can't develop the project. You need a tool, you need a library, you need a code, you need a proper memory database with respect to version. Okay, like I'm using the Java 8 feature and you are using the Java 7 feature. So definitely I'm using the Java 8 method na. Java 8 method are not available in Java 7. So how my code will run in your system? So this is the important concept we need to understand. If I'm using Java 8 and my one colleague are using the Java 11, Java 18, you got it what I'm trying to say? I'm not saying only the new feature I'm using, new version I'm using, and that version are not available in old. Sometimes what happen na, I'm using the Java 8 method, but that feature are not available in Java 11, Java 18, because the upgraded feature are used. If I'm using the Java 8 and at a deploying point of view, you are deployed with a Java 17, Java 18. So this is does not make sense. So this is a version issue, setting issue, library and tools issue. So these things we can resolve by using the Docker. That's it. Then the next point is how to use Docker. So this is different point.